Alright guys, I'm gonna show you all how to install and run C++ on M1 MacBook. Let me show you quick. I'm using 8 gigs version of MacBook Pro. Uh, I have the latest version of beta Visual Code installed, but unfortunately it runs only Python right now. This is the Python program. Let me run it. Yeah, it run. And let me show you if I install C++ extension here. Here it fails. It says architecture not supported. So we have to install another IDE for C++. Eclipse is the one. I will give all the links in the description. Go to downloads. We will download the x86 64 one and download. I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel it just now. Yeah, this one. Open it. Drag this to application folder. Just close this. Move it to bin. Open your finder. Go to applications. You will see Eclipse installer. Just double click it. Open. Okay. So as you can see here, the C++ option is present. But before that, we will install Java because some components of Java are required for installation of C++ file. So just click Java here and click install. It has installed. Now we will click on launch. So this will be basically your workspace. Let it be default one. We'll click launch. All right, our Java one is here installed. So just I will create new file here. Just go to new Java project. Give it name like test. Create. So your Java is ready and we have nothing to do with Java. Okay, all right. So we will install C++ now. Here we will go to help. For Eclipse, we will go to help and go to Eclipse market space and we will install C++ files from here. Here in the find menu, let it load. Yeah, here in the find menu, we'll type CDT, C++ development tool. This, the Eclipse C++ IDE CDT, this one. We will install it. It will show all the files. Make sure all is checked. We'll confirm. Now it will take time as it will connect to server. Alright, it's finished. We will accept the terms and click finish. It's done. Now what's new here? We will restart the module for changes to take place. All right, close the welcome screen. Now as usual we'll go to file, new, and we'll click on project. Okay, here you can see the C++ has arrived. Drag down and click on C++ project. Here don't make a mistake and click on C/C++ project. Next, test 1, yeah, Mac OS GCX6 and empty project. Finish. Open perspective. Okay, here we'll go to test one folder. Here are the includes. I'm gonna insert file, new, source file, first cpp.cpp. Here don't forget to add this .cpp extension as it did the C++, otherwise it will show some error. Finish it. Yeah, here I'm gonna just type in some C++ program. Now we'll click on run. It's done, guys. So like and subscribe. Thank you.